In this module, we will discuss the cells, how to insert or delete a row and column. Let's type in a random text such as football. You can type in any cell you want to type in. Hit enter and your content is saved automatically. Now, if you want to rewrite it, simply type over the cell. Hit enter and your content will be saved. Now, if you want to delete the content, simply go to the cell, hit backspace in your keyboard, and your content will be deleted. Now, let's type in a random text which is wider. Well, you can see it is a bit wider. Well, there are two options. You can do a line break or you can resize it. Let me show you how to do a line break first. Let's say you want to do a line break after work. Double click, take your cursor in the work, hit Alt and Enter, and it will do a line break. Hit Enter. Well, you can see there exists a line break. Now, if you want to resize it, you can double click here. It will automatically resize it. Also, you have the option to expand by dragging. Also, you can make it smaller according to your need.